Hello dear friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel Geotechnical Engineering Consultancy Tips. Today I will be telling you all about geotechnical engineering tips and tricks for deep excavations in construction industry. Now, deep excavations are very common in the construction industry these days because everyone wants to optimize the land cost with maximum usage of it. Whatever he has acquired, has bought that land for his particular purpose, and they usually pose a number of challenges for geotechnical engineers. The challenges in deep excavations are, जैसे कि आप लोग देखते होंगे आजकल मैसिव बेसमेंट्स, 3-4 बेसमेंट फ्लोर में पार्किंग्स वगैरह एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. देयर आर लॉट मैनी heavy multi-story structures are coming. Even industrial usage में भी या commercial land के usage में भी people are trying to build basements etc. That is why the need for deep excavations. Now, the challenges in deep excavations are stability. Deep excavations can be unstable and have a tendency to collapse if they are not properly supported. Water. The ingress of water, that is the deep excavations, can be subject to water infiltration as the case may be, which can lead to instability and erosion of the soil. Soil movement. Deep excavations can cause soil movement which may result in affecting adjacent nearby structures as well. That is why we have to take all caution and extraordinary preventive measures so that the deep excavations work when carried out before construction activity are done safely without affecting the neighboring structures. Now coming over to my next and last slide. Tips and tricks for geotechnical engineers designing deep excavations. Choosing the right kind of support system is utmost important. There are different types of support systems to retain deep foundation excavations, including constructing retaining walls, contiguous pile walls, soldier piles, lagging walls, sheet piles, and any other soil retaining structures, etc. The type of support chosen depends on the site situation, surrounding structures present, specific conditions, and kind of excavated soil. As you have been shown in the figure enclosed on the side of these written lines, we are using some methods to retain the soil. That is very much clear कि हमने कुछ साइड में रिटेनिंग भी करा है और अक्रॉस हमने आई सेक्शन गर्डर से भी डायगनली एल शेप में जो हमारी 90 डिग्री पे दो वॉल्स हैं उनको वी आर सपोर्टिंग एंड वी आर ट्राइंग टू कीप देम स्टेबल. नाउ, designing the support system for worst case scenario. Geotechnical engineers have to design the support system for worst case scenario, which means considering the possibility of extreme weather events such as floods, cyclones and or earthquakes etc. as well. Now, what is most important, which is a must, monitoring the excavation during construction is very must. We must also continuously monitor the excavation in order to ensure that it is stable during construction and that the support system is working properly, because without which we cannot do anything and we would not be able to finish off our construction activities suitably. By following these tips and tricks, geotechnical engineers help ensure that deep excavations are safe and successful. So dear friends, this was what I wished to tell you in this lecture of mine. Keep on subscribing to my YouTube channel Geotechnical Engineering Consultancy Tips. Thank you very much.